Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA.
This is how to play Lotto using the Capitec app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening your Capitec app and signing into your account. From the home screen, tap Transact. Next, scroll down and tap Play Lotto. From here, choose the type of lottery that you want to play, like Lotto, Powerball, or Daily Lottery. Next, tap Choose Numbers. After that, select the number of boards that you want to buy. Next, choose your numbers for each board. Once that's done, tap Next. At this point, you will see a summary of your ticket. Then tick the box to accept the national lottery rules. After that, tap Buy Now. From here, you will be taken to the payment screen. Finally, tap Pay to complete the purchase from your main account. Once the payment is successful, your Lotto ticket will be generated and saved in the app. And that is it. That's how to play Lotto using the Capitec app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.